Welcome to the 2022 Sunreef 80 Sail Relentless II. Built by Sunreef Yachts, the premier builder of luxury catamarans worldwide, the Sunreef 80 is their crown jewel, with over 50 of these exceptional yachts sold to date. As the US sales director for Sunreef Yachts for over 5 years, I've seen it all, and I can confidently say that Relentless II is one of the most thoughtfully designed Sunreefs I've ever had the pleasure of being aboard. This is the second build by her owners, and it shows. No expense was spared. From her striking midnight blue hull to her sleek gray Flybridge and bimini, a paint job that alone was $500,000. Her 39-foot beam makes her interior spaces feel more akin to a 110-foot monohull, while the exterior is closer to that of a 150-footer. Let's start at the stern, where Relentless II immediately sets herself apart. She's the only Sunreef 80 with a custom exterior dining settee that doubles as a toy garage. Above, the Rolls-Royce Starlight ceiling creates an ambiance of pure luxury. The hydraulic tender lift platform carries her 15-foot Czar tender with a 90 horsepower Yamaha outboard, ideal for water sports or exploring remote anchorages. When at anchor, the platform becomes an extension of the living space, creating a perfect spot to dance, dive, and swim. This area also features dining for 8, along with a fully equipped wet bar, mini fridge, and ice maker, making it an entertainer's dream. From the aft deck, step into the Salon through sliding glass pocket doors that, when fully open, create an incredible indoor-outdoor flow. At 580 square feet, the Salon offers 360-degree views through floor-to-ceiling windows, giving you a constant connection to the sea. The split lounge seating and formal dining table for 8 ensure comfort and elegance in equal measure. Her center island and coffee bar feature a stunning backlit blue agate backsplash with a concealed pop-up TV for entertainment. A wet bar with 64 bottle wine fridges, a mini fridge, ice maker, dishwasher, and ample storage ensures every amenity is at your fingertips. To starboard, you'll find the interior nav station equipped with the Raymarine Axiom package, while to port, a signature Sunreef feature, a hydraulic door, connects the Salon to the bow, allowing seamless movement from stern to bow without changing elevation. Moving forward, the bow continues the yacht's free-flowing design. Here, you'll find a sunken lounge area with an L-shaped settee and a large daybed, perfect for unwinding. Forward of the lounge, the split trampoline offers a playful spot for kids or a serene place for adults to relax under the stars. Personally, it's one of my favorite places to relax, lay back, and watch shooting stars at night. Relentless II has the full sailing package equipped with the main, staysail, Genoa, and Code Zero. Additionally, there are 2 crew cabins, one to port and one to starboard, providing the crew with private accommodations. The Flybridge is a showstopper, with a custom enlarged jet jacuzzi adorned with her nameplate. Flanked by lounging spaces on either side, the Flybridge also features forward seating for 10 and split carbon fiber helm stations, with the Raymarine Axiom package and 4 integrated cameras. Outboard to starboard, a full service bar includes an electric grill, mini fridge, ice maker, and sink, making this a prime spot for entertaining guests or enjoying cocktails at sunset. Below deck, Relentless II is a galley down layout with 4 staterooms plus a captain's quarters. Each stateroom features outboard facing beds with views to the horizon, thanks to large windows above the waterline. Every cabin also includes a spacious ensuite bathroom. To port, the first companionway leads to an extended chef's galley equipped with Miele appliances, a full-size washer and dryer, convection oven, microwave, and oversized fridge and freezer. There's even a dedicated crew mess, an essential feature for charters that many Sunreefs don't have. Forward to port, another companionway leads to 2 guest cabins, including a midship VIP cabin with a pop-up TV. The forward cabin offers the flexibility of a split bed, making it ideal for families with children. A similar layout is mirrored to starboard. Midship starboard, the owner's suite is a sanctuary, featuring a walk-in closet, pop-up TV, office desk, pull-out sofa, and a large ensuite bathroom. The king bed can also be split into 2 twins for maximum flexibility when under charter. Relentless II isn't just luxurious. Under sail, she achieves 10 knots in 20 knots of wind, combining speed with stability. And thanks to her cutting-edge energy systems, she can run her air conditioning overnight without the need for a generator, allowing for silent, comfortable nights at anchor. With 9 weeks of charter already booked for the 2025 season at $100,000 a week, Relentless II is a turnkey business opportunity. And with the 100% bonus depreciation currently pending review under the American Tax Relief Act, she's an incredible investment for anyone looking to offset taxes while enjoying a yacht of this caliber. Thank you for joining me on board this tour of the 2022 Sunreef 80 sail, Relentless II. There's truly no better way to spend quality time with friends and family, whether you're sailing to exotic locations, enjoying a peaceful night under the stars, or sharing unforgettable moments with the people you love. Relentless II offers a lifestyle that is second to none. If you're ready to make this dream a reality, click the link in the description to learn more.